Lynette, day 2, Hannover Messe is coming to a close. First impressions?
I asked somebody what they think and they used the word wow, and I'll steal that. It's buzzing. I mean, it's brilliant. We've got customers, partners, media, students, curious tourists. It's amazing. I'm really proud to be here.
Now, when we met in the last time, you were bringing the industrial metaverse to CES. Now, Hannover Messe is a different animal.
Yes.
How did you go about crafting your story for this time?
Yeah, it's all about levels, I guess, because at CES we were the new kid on the block.
True.
And then here at Hannover Messe, it's our home turf. And it feels like our home for the week, and it really does feel very comfortable for us, and people know us, and so it's about going the next level of detail, the next level of detail, and the next level of detail. And there's a lot more space as well, so we're able to tell a much more complete story, but it's still the same message, but at different levels.
And if I look at industrial AI, obviously AI is like the flavour of the month here.
Yes.
How do you make these things tangible
Yes.
with the products? Because at the end of the day, it's
Yep.
physical things or software that makes all this work.
Yeah, and that's what's good is we have these 4 different showcases where we can show end to end, and so the combination of the real and the digital really comes to life there, because you explain that there's the design phase with the software, but then you can get into the actual products, and we're even launching new products
Correct,
here.
a lot of them.
Lots of new products, but so we've got Siemens, which is our hero product, the PLC 1 in 3 worldwide at
Yep.
Siemens, and we've got a new launch of a piece of hardware here. So we're talking about the next stage of the industrial co-pilot, but we've also got at the heart launches like the Simatic.
So you can bring it back to, because as you said, there's a lot of engineers walking around
Yes.
here, right? So
Yes.
Now, one particular feature, I suppose, what's
Yes.
behind us here.
Yes.
If there's a prize going for this year's most videoed thing,
Yes.
you might be in the running.
Yes.
What is it?
So we have our leadership conference every year, and we always like to have a bit of a star opening. And so we used these robots with screens, and actually they were the screens that we then used for the whole show.
Okay.
And our software engineers programmed them. And then we had a story as an intro for an internal audience.
Right.
And it worked. It wasn't easy to get there, but it worked. And that was an audience of 600 leaders of Siemens. And so the team had the idea of taking that and making it scale, because it's every half an hour, and it's a fixed show, and it's a bigger stage.
Very impressive.
And so it's great. So it's a 5-minute story of Siemens technology with a wow factor. And I just think it's really important to innovate so the message is in the medium. And so we talk about us as a tech company, we talk about innovation, so we've got to innovate in the area of communications too.
No, you see the crowd kind of wandering in here every 30 minutes because, and we're roped off. We're normally not roped off for these things.
Yeah.
So it's been amazing. Now, in fairness, TeamSiemens have turned up in a big way this week, right?
They talk about it takes a village, and with Hannover Messe, so the project manager should get a mention, so Damir and Anna, who runs it, and then dear Brenda, who leads communications at Digital Industries, and then so many people. It is phenomenal, and the passion, the commitment. But what's great is it's about the week here at Hanover. Of course, we've got the virtual assets so everyone can watch. But what's so amazing is we have these delegations from around the world. So big groups of customers and partners coming from, so I hung out with a Mexican group tonight. I'm at China night. There's the US, there's India. I mean, and so we really do put the show on here. But you're getting this reach through the family of Siemens across the world.
But I took one of the team photos this morning.
Yes.
Like this place was full, right?
Yes.
So there's a lot of cat herding to pull this off. So
Yeah,
it's impressive.
amazing. And the point is, what crosses my mind, I'm so excited, but then I always think, how are they going to top this? And they do.
Well, Hannover 2025, right?
Yes.
Challenge
Yes.
down.
Absolutely.
So no, it's been amazing, and obviously the focus around industrial AI and the opportunity Europe has there, and you've been Roland's been highlighting it, Cedric. No, it's been impressive so far.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hey, thanks. Good to see you again.
Great.